Did you know that the Philippines has faced many conflicts throughout its history? From insurgencies in Mindanao, political tensions, and natural disasters, to challenges in cultural and religious diversity, these struggles have affected communities across the nation. These challenges showed the urgent need for solutions that go beyond military action or short-term fixes. This is where peace education comes in, a proactive approach that promotes understanding, nonviolence, and social harmony among Filipinos. Institutions like Miriam College's Center for Peace Education have taken the lead in promoting peace education. Miriam College is a pioneer in this field, with its center serving as a hub for teaching, research, and advocacy that nurtures a culture of peace. Their programs include curriculum integration, conflict resolution training, and school-wide initiatives that encourage students and educators to practice peace every day. Peace education in the Philippines is seen not only as a practical alternative but also as an ethical imperative for building a more peaceful society. As a practical alternative, peace education offers long-term benefits. It helps create a critical mass of peacebuilders, people who carry the values of peace into their communities. It fosters personal change and structural change, guiding society toward justice, equality, and inclusivity. Peace education also challenges the belief that war is inevitable. Instead, it promotes nonviolent ways of resolving conflicts, like collaborative problem-solving, mediation, and creating solutions that are fair and humane. To support this, the Department of Education, DepEd, implements programs like Indigenous Peoples Education, IPED, promoting understanding and respect among diverse communities. Another initiative is the Matatag curriculum, which integrates peace education, civic engagement, and disaster preparedness into basic education. These programs equip learners with the knowledge, skills, and values to contribute to peaceful and resilient communities. At the higher education level, universities across the Philippines offer peace education programs, including courses, certificates, and degree programs. Miriam College stands out with its Center for Peace Education, which fosters a culture of peace through teaching, research, and advocacy. Alongside Miriam College, universities like Mindanao State University, MSU, have also established dedicated centers and programs for peace education, including MSU's Institute for Peace and Development, IPDM. College students also participate in the National Service Training Program, NSTP, especially through the Civic Welfare Training Service, CWTS. CWTS engages students in community projects that address social issues and promote the common good. These activities teach nonviolence, collaboration, and social responsibility, practical lessons in peace beyond the classroom. The Office of the Presidential Advisor on Peace, Reconciliation, and Unity, OPAPRU, also leads practical peace initiatives, such as Pamana, Payapa at Masaganang Pamayanan funding development projects in conflict-affected areas. Gawad Kapayapan, recognizing outstanding contributions to peacebuilding. National Action Plans for Women and Youth, Peace, and Security, NAPUPS and NAPIPS promoting inclusion of women and youth in peace efforts. SHAPE, Sustaining Hope and Peace for the Environment integrating environmental sustainability into peace programs. Philippine Peace Ambassadors, engaging citizens in grassroots peace promotion. Another excellent example is the historic Memorandum of Understanding, MOU, between the Prem Rawat Foundation, TPRF, and the Bureau of Jail Management and Penology, BJMP. Through this partnership, the peace education program is being implemented in correctional facilities nationwide. It helps inmates and staff cultivate inner peace, self-awareness, and personal responsibility, showing how peace education can transform lives in diverse settings. Peace education is not just practical, it is also an ethical imperative. Violence harms life, dignity, and well-being. Its ethical foundations come from major world religions, humanitarian ethics, and indigenous spiritualities. Despite their differences, these traditions share core values. Unity and value of all life, recognizing that every person is interconnected and worthy of care. Respect for human dignity, treating everyone with fairness and honor. Commitment to nonviolence, resolving conflicts without harm. Pursuit of justice, ensuring fairness, not just absence of war. Love as a social ethic, building relationships and communities rooted in compassion. Government-led programs, like those by APAPRU, also demonstrate ethical peace education. Initiatives such as PAMINA and the National Action Plans integrate reconciliation, unity, and inclusion into national and regional development. At its heart, peace education seeks the common good, where everyone can live with dignity, harmony, and hope. And that wraps up today's discussion on peace education in the Philippines. We've seen how it is both a practical alternative, providing tools and programs for peace, and an ethical imperative, guiding us to live with justice, respect, and love. Now I'd love to hear from you. How do you think schools like Miriam College, universities like MSU, NSTP programs, or government initiatives like APAPRU can inspire others to follow this path? Share your thoughts in the comments, and let's learn from each other. In our next lesson, we will explore the meaning and concept of peace itself. That's it for today's lesson. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you won't miss the next one. This is Social Studies Simplified, where we understand the past, engage the present, and shape the future.